Hey, hey, Smoking Lizard, back at you once again, man. Hey, we trying something different today. Gotta do some more chicken. That chicken, man, people, people want it. They want it. So hey, we got to supply it. Yo, like I said, we're gonna do something a little different today. I'm gonna use Big Mama to do this chicken. This Big Mama runs off propane, but she has a tray over the burner. So I filled that with some royal oak uh, lump charcoal, some hickory, and some cherry wood. So that's what I'm setting that up now. All right. And what we're gonna do, I'm gonna shut her down. Nope, I'm sorry, can't shut her down yet. Um, I'm gonna go ahead, cut the gas on, and light it up. When you lighten these propane grills like this, you want to open your lid. Do not fire up your propane gas grill um, with that lid closed, because it goes boom, and we don't want that. We don't want that. I can see me now dancing around trying to get them dreadlocks out. Hey, but so stay tuned, and we're gonna get this grill up to temp. Gonna let after I fire it up, we're gonna shut it down and bring that temp up to where we need it, around 250, 275. And then we're gonna place that chicken on there, and we're gonna get it on, make it do what it do, and after it do, it did done data, baby. Let's go. Hey, hey, right back at you. Here we go. So we got our temp up to right at right at 250. And it's smoking in there, y'all. So we're gonna lay our chicken out. I'm going for the middle. Here's our chicken, and I'm laying everything out. And I got some green onion, spring onion, scallion, whatever you want to call it. And I'm just gonna go for the middle racks here. Yeah, this chicken is for the Adams family here in Camel Thicket. We've had another unfortunate loss. Uh, John Henry Adams Jr., if you will. He passed last week. So they're viewing the body right now as we speak. And by the time that's over, this chicken should be done. And I will put this in my wagon and walk up to the house, because it's right here in the neighborhood, Camel Thicket. And the reason why I'm walking, guys, my truck's down. So, it's been a rough week. And we're trying to figure out what's going on with it. But hey, I'm still smiling. Hey, never let it beat you up. Somebody's always got it worse than you. So we rolling with the punches, man. That song says, sometimes we struggle, but we never give in. Hey, hey, struggle, but we never give in. No way. Yeah, so like I said, we're going to get this chicken laid out for the Adams family. I went by last night, man. It's great to see everybody coming together, man, cooking and doing different things for the family. I said, so you know, that's what we got to do, man. We got to stick together. We have to stick together. If you don't know, you better ask somebody. Oh yeah, I really appreciate you guys tuning in and all the comments, man. I love it, man. I love it. Second, yes, and the subscribers. You're right, babe. Please do keep subscribing, y'all. If you're new to the channel or come across the channel, please do subscribe, like, and make comments, and I'll get back to you. Have you guys noticed the new feature on YouTube that when you chime in, make a comment, I can leave you a voice message, man. So do do leave a comment, and I'll leave you a voice message. And if you need any pointers, I could give you that too. It's all about us getting better. That's right. And when I say us, I do mean all of us, everyone. Everyone. Let's make it happen, Captain. Few more legs to go on, and we'll shut her down and let this baby rock and Rolo Bolo. Y'all remember Bolo? It's that big guy on the karate movies back in the day. Bolo. Oh, yes, sir. That cherry wood down there burning. Oak wood. Get this down. I think the services will be over at 6 o'clock. We're gonna try and get it done right around 6. Walk it up there, present it to the fam, sit around, socialize, reminisce, and spread love. Because ultimately, that's what it's all about, man. Catering to that family, to this family, our family, for the loss of a loved one. And we just take those, sprinkle that on. It's just flavor. That's all it is. Flavor. Just flavor. And the Chinese man is supposed to come through as well. When he see those onions on there, I know he gonna, hey, give me an onion. He loves onions. Hey, but that's what we have there. If you look down in there, you can see that plate that actually John Haney and John Haney himself of Alvron Grill Company installed that plate down there. Back in the day when I was first getting started with, because I really never worked with propane, and I didn't have a plate over there. And guess what happened? That grill caught on fire at Fats Man Cave. Uh, Art filmed it, and that's how it all got started. After that little incident, and I told him, he was like, "Lizard, were you worried at all?" I said, I had my cleaver in my hand. I said, "Art, worryation is a lack of faith." And it took off from there. And I'm so pleased and happy. Thank you, Art. Thank you, Fats Man Cave. Hey, and thank you guys, man. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. We're not out of here. We in there. And when this gets done, we're going to show you the magic. Let's make it do what it do. And after it do, it did done data, baby. We'll be back. Hey, hey, back at you. Hey, we are hour in. So let's take a look. This is our first look. We're going to do it together. Oh, Lord have mercy. Look at that. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. That's pretty. And right here, this is freshly juiced Granny Smith apples. So I'm going to spray a little bit of that on there. Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah. And we're not going to flip at all. We're going to leave it just like that. Here we go. Yes, indeed. And I ain't from Tahiti. Yes, sir. Hey, y'all. Um, just a few minutes ago, I noticed that Art just put up a video hanging with the Olivers. If you remember me prepping the red snapper for the escovite fish, well, the outcome is on there. So do go and check out Art Fennell's Country Style channel. You'll see me and some of the other guys out there that was in the picture on my channel. And just see us having a ball, having fun, chilling out with the Olivers. Great people, man. Welcome, welcome, welcome to the Country Style family. And we will be right back with you. We're going to pull this thing off in just a few. Hey, don't forget, like, subscribe, and share. And hey, we'll see you in a bit. Hey, right back at you, man. This thing is ready and it's smoking good, man. Delicioso. Woo! I'm telling you, man, the flavor beat me up all in my mouth, boy. I tell you, God dog, boy. Hey, y'all come over and check this thing out, man. Woo! Man, skin is perfectly bite through. Oh, man. I'm telling you, man. That is some kind of good chicken. Uh, it's about came off at some of them were 74, some of them was 75 Celsius. That's right at 165 Fahrenheit, man. Ready to go, ready to please the family. Hope I can bring some smiles to their saddened faces and hearts. And we just want to spread love, man. That's all we doing, spreading love even through our hard times. We still pushing through, man, and you guys can do the same thing, man. Listen, worryation is a lack of faith. We love you guys. Thank you for all the subscribers and views, man. We love you, and we're gonna continue to do it because we love to make people smile, man. I love you. Ain't a damn thing you can do about it, and we are about to be out. But before we go, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and share. And please comment. And we out of here. See you on the next time. Let's